The Chief Justice and the other members of the quorum have opted not to be part of this afternoon's proceedings.
There was drama at the Supreme Court as Justice Esther Kisakye protested against what she termed as unfair treatment from her colleagues.
My file has apparently been confiscated on the orders of the Chief Justice.
It was expected that in that decision where there was a dissenting judgment, both judgments are supposed to be delivered. So one side delivered, that was in the morning, and then they adjourned for a break, which was supposed to enable them come back for the dissenting ruling to be delivered. Now that ruling, the statement we are going to give will be explaining what transpired between the time they adjourned for a health break and the time when one justice came to deliver her ruling and alone. Because in the normal circumstances, all the justices should have come back with her, and then the justice delivers her ruling.
A former legislator and senior counsel, Dan Wandirogalo, says this action undermines the tempo of justice.
This was not called for. This could have been resolved without reaching where we reached. If after adjournment, the justices went back and there was a disagreement, there was nothing wrong with sending the registrar to inform all the lawyers and the litigants that this matter, although it had been scheduled for such and such a time, it will not be able to, will have a further adjournment even to tomorrow or even the other day, and then you sort out those internal issues.
The public expects action from Judicial Service Commission, and we are taking the action. And it is within their right to know how far the matter has gone, because it affects justice being seen to be done.
The Judicial Service Commission has reportedly initiated investigations into the melodrama.
We have a directorate that is in charge of investigations, and we have a team of investigators. We have a team of prosecutors. So our teams are on the ground. We have feedback, but we want to concretize the position of what happens after what we have got. A decision has to be taken.
Ogalo, however, concurs with the Supreme Court decision of not awarding costs to the respondents.
And why I think in the past the court has been reluctant to award the costs in presidential petitions is that this is a matter of public interest. It is a matter touching on governance for the whole country. And therefore, the matters which are being argued in the courts are their matters. They are not Kyagulanyi's matters. They are not President Museveni's matters. They are matters for you, a voter.
The government of Uganda now wants to make it abundantly clear that on 12th of May, we shall be conducting inauguration of the president-elect, and subsequent to that, we shall inaugurate the 11th Parliament.
Robert Onyango, UBC News, Kampala.